No one is expecting a normal Christmas, least of all those who've lost loved ones to the pandemic. In London, grieving relatives accused Boris Johnson's government of mishandling its response and demanded a public inquiry.
This is my father, Michael. He died 8 months ago tomorrow. We were hoping that by now lessons would have been learned. They have not been learned. Test and trace is not working, that's very clear. Mistakes keep being made. The government refuses to admit to any mistakes. If one doesn't reflect on one's mistakes, how can they be corrected?
There are concerns that the government is about to bungle Christmas as well, with warnings from the medical and scientific communities about the deadly consequences of plans to relax restrictions so that families can meet. They've provoked a change of advice, not a change of plan.
A smaller Christmas is going to be a safer Christmas, and a shorter Christmas is a safer Christmas. When we say 3 households can meet on 5 days, I want to stress that these are maximums, not targets to aim for.
The UK is not heading into the gloom alone. Germany has gone into a stricter lockdown after previous restrictions failed to bring infection numbers down. On Wednesday, the country reported a record number of coronavirus deaths.
Sehr komisch, das ist nicht normal.
It's very strange, it's not normal. I don't know what these politicians want to do. They've left it all open for too long, and now all of a sudden we had to quickly buy everything in 2 days. We don't know what they're doing anymore.
In Italy, meanwhile, there have been warnings of a national tragedy after the country's statistics bureau said that deaths this year would be the highest since World War II. The government says it's considering small adjustments to the current restrictions. Critics feel much more is required. Many European countries are planning to begin a vaccine rollout by the end of December, pending approval by the European Medicines Agency. Light at the end of the tunnel, but the tunnel still has some way to go. Jonah, Al Jazeera.